Welcome back, my dear adventurers, to another exhilarating expedition into the vast expanse of online business. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, uncovering the hidden gems that can ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Get ready to expand your horizons and unlock the secrets of success in the digital realm. Before we set sail on this magnificent voyage, let us address a burning question that often perplexes aspiring entrepreneurs. How do you overcome the fear of failure? It's a formidable challenge, my friends, but one that can be conquered with the right mindset. Imagine this: failure is not the end, but a stepping stone on the path to greatness. Embrace the lessons learned from each setback, for they serve as guideposts along your journey. Shift your perspective and see failure as an opportunity for growth and refinement. Embrace the courage within you, for it is in the face of adversity that true strength is forged. Now, let us delve into our expanded repertoire of online businesses. These are not mere ventures, but grand opportunities that hold the potential to transform your life. Remember, my friends, choose a path that resonates with your passions and talents. Without further ado, let the exploration begin. Business number 1: Print-on-demand delights. Unleash your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit by starting a print-on-demand business. Design unique merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, and have them printed and shipped to customers on demand. With platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can focus on the artistic side while they handle production and logistics. Embrace your artistic prowess and let your imagination soar. Business number 2: Affiliate marketing mastery. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing and leverage the power of partnerships. Identify high-quality products or services that align with your audience's interests and earn commissions for every sale you generate. Promote through your website, blog, or social media platforms, and build a loyal following. Become a master of persuasion and watch your earnings soar. Business number 3: Podcasting empire. Enter the realm of audio storytelling and create your very own podcasting empire. Choose a niche or topic that resonates with you and captivate your audience with engaging conversations, thought-provoking interviews, or captivating storytelling. Share your insights, experiences, and knowledge, and build a loyal community of listeners. Monetize your podcast through sponsorships, advertising, or even exclusive content for your dedicated fans. Business number 4: Dropshipping dominion. Embrace the power of dropshipping and venture into the world of e-commerce without the need for inventory. Select a niche or product category, partner with reliable suppliers, and create an online store. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles the shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing, customer service, and growing your business. Harness the global reach of the internet and build your empire with minimal upfront investment. Business number 5: Influencer marketing magic. Tap into the growing trend of influencer marketing and leverage your online presence to promote brands and products. Build a strong personal brand through social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Collaborate with brands that align with your values and engage your audience authentically. Become a trusted influencer and unlock a world of sponsorship opportunities. Business number 6: Online coaching crusade. Share your expertise and passion by offering online coaching or consulting services. Identify a niche or skill you excel in, and create tailored coaching programs or consulting packages. Help individuals or businesses achieve their goals, solve their problems, and unlock their full potential. Empower others and witness their transformation under your guidance. Business number 7, Content Creation Agency. In today's digital landscape, high-quality content is in high demand. Establish a content creation agency that offers services like copywriting, graphic design, video production, or social media management. As businesses strive to engage their audience, they'll turn to experts like you to create compelling content that stands out from the crowd. Turn your creative talents into a thriving business. To stay motivated, my friends, cultivate a burning passion for your chosen path. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Seek knowledge and continuous growth through books, podcasts, or mentors. Embrace failure as a stepping stone towards success. And most importantly, remember your why, the deep-rooted purpose that fuels your every step. With unwavering determination, you shall triumph. Before we bid farewell, allow me to tantalize your senses with a glimpse into the future. Part 5 awaits us, where we shall uncover even more enchanting online business opportunities. Subscribe to our illustrious channel, heed the siren call of the notification bell, and prepare to embark on the next captivating chapter. As we part ways, my brave companions, remember that your destiny lies within your grasp. Embrace the challenges, seize the opportunities, and forge your path to greatness. Until we meet again, may inspiration guide your every endeavor as you thrive in the resplendent world of online entrepreneurship.